있다면 I'm afraid not. He could thank you, God, for everything He given me and everything He has provided. I thank God for everything He's given. I thank God for everything He's provided. I thank God for the air that I breathe. I thank God for the life He's given me. I thank God for the food on my table. I thank God for the shoes on my feet. I thank God for the water that I drink and the nice place for me to sleep. 90% of my prayers is just thanking God for everything He's given me. Thank God for everything He has provided. I thank God for the roof on my head. I thank God for the nice place for me to live. I thank God for the bed I sleep on. I thank God for the sheets and blankets for my cover. I thank God for the cars I own. I thank God for the bikes I ride. I thank God for all the places I can travel.